Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view, like Play Store. Then access background apps. When you're ready, click on the icon of your app at the top. Sorry, misclick. And select split screen. Lastly, just click on the other app, in my case Messages. As you can see, finally, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!